back to my channel. Today, you're about to witness something that feels completely out of this world. Imagine owning a house so luxurious, it could rival the world's most expensive mansions, yet it can travel wherever you go. This isn't a dream. This is the $5 million ultra-luxury rolling mansion, and it's about to redefine how the elite live on the move. From the very first look, you'll realize this isn't just a motorhome. It's a masterpiece on wheels. Its architecture screams sophistication. Towering arched windows, curved balconies, and pure white elegance glowing with soft golden light. Every inch of its exterior has been handcrafted to perfection, making it look more like a royal villa than a vehicle. The rounded staircase, the classic balcony railing, and those massive panoramic windows create a sight so surreal, you'll forget it can actually drive. Step inside and prepare to be amazed. The interior feels like stepping into a 5-star penthouse suite. We're talking polished marble floors, gold-trimmed lighting, and creamy walls adorned with detailed wood accents. Every light fixture, every texture has been designed to blend luxury with warmth. The living area offers plush designer seating, a massive flat-screen display, and large windows flooding the space with natural light. Perfect for panoramic views wherever you stop. Now, move toward the kitchen, and this is where things get even more impressive. It's equipped with state-of-the-art appliances. A built-in refrigerator, induction cooktop, oven, microwave, and even a wine chiller for the ultimate road experience. Custom cabinetry, polished stone countertops, and an elegant island design make this kitchen both functional and luxurious. Right next to it, the dining space offers a marble-top table with velvet chairs, glowing softly under golden pendant lights, turning every meal into a luxury dining event. And then, we step into the master suite, the heart of the mansion. Here you'll find a full king-size bed with premium linens, customizable mood lighting, and a sleek entertainment screen perfectly placed for nighttime comfort. Storage is hidden seamlessly, keeping the room open, clean, and elegant. The attached bathroom is nothing short of a private spa, featuring a rainfall shower, marble sinks, and gold-accented fixtures that radiate pure elegance. But wait, there's more. This mansion has a full second floor. Upstairs, you'll discover a private lounge, a cozy retreat surrounded by floor-to-ceiling windows. Here, you can read, relax, or just enjoy breathtaking views from above. Some models even include a minibar and an open-air balcony where you can sip your drink while watching the sunset over the horizon. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a statement of success, a celebration of freedom, and a showcase of what's possible when design meets innovation. Whether parked by the beach, nestled in the mountains, or cruising through the city, this rolling mansion guarantees you'll never have to leave luxury behind. So, if you've ever dreamed of traveling without compromising comfort or class, the $5 million rolling mansion proves that your dream home doesn't have to stay in one place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below, because this level of elegance on wheels deserves every bit of your attention.